There you go.
I found this one.
Okay, keep going.
It's a bunny egg.
Get in your bucket and look for another one.
Where's another one? I can't find another egg. Where is another egg? I just found an egg.
Okay, good, Alex.
Put it in your bucket. Go look some more. Go look by the playhouse, Alex. Go look by the slide.
There's none back there, Renee.
They're all around.
No, there's none back there.
Where?
None. There's no more back here. It's only from here going. Where do you put your butt when you swing?
On the swing. Yeah, I found another egg. Look up. I put my butt on the swing when I swing. Right here.
And where do you put your butt when you ride your bike?
Here. On the saddle.
Right
On
here.
the saddle. On the saddle.
Mhm.
On the saddle.
Don't forget this one.
What?
Barbie likes to ride too. Where's Barbie?
Where's Barbie?
What does Alex like to drive?
A car. The car.
Is there anything there?
No.
Well, you sure? Look again.
Look.
Gabby.
Look.
here, baby.
Gabby. Go back and look again.
Easy, easy.
There is an egg on the Barbie car.
Look over.
Look. I found one.
How about another one? Keep looking.
Where?
Just keep looking. Alicia. Wait, go back. Go back. Back to the Barbie car.
I'm videoing.
Stand in front of the Barbie car and stare at it.
Ooh, look up, look behind.
Ooh, there it is. I found 2 more eggs.
Wow. Okay.
Keep
That was
looking.
my turn. Where do I walk?
Look at the lion.
Where do I
Look at the lion. Where's the lion?
On the
Isn't
bed.
that the lion? Oh,
There's one in there.
Yay!
What you got, Alex?
Ooh.
Where do I put my feet when I climb?
Is that a lion, Alicia?
Here it is.
Yeah.
Here's one.
Wait. Look at your lion.
When I stand. Here's one.
This is Lion, Alex.
Now, where's my foot?
Stop.
It's kind of hiding.
They look right over. Alex.